What if your home could stay perfectly clean without you lifting a finger? Meet the Roborock Saros, a smart cleaning system designed for real convenience. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It combines power, precision, and automation into one sleek device. Let's start with performance. With an impressive 22,000 pascal suction, it easily removes dust, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. But power alone isn't enough, and that's where smart design comes in. Thanks to its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile, the Saros glides under furniture where most robots simply can't reach. So, hidden dust? Not anymore. Another standout feature is zero-tangling technology. Hair doesn't wrap around the brush, meaning less maintenance and more consistent cleaning. And with FlexiArm Riser Technology, it automatically adapts between carpets and hard floors, optimizing performance on every surface. Corners and edges? Handled with precision. Now, let's talk about convenience. The advanced docking station empties the dustbin and dries the mop with hot air, keeping everything clean and ready to go. You get weeks of hands-free cleaning. Control is simple through the app or voice commands. Start, schedule, or customize your cleaning in seconds, even when you're not home. The result? Cleaner floors, less effort, and more time for what matters. If you want a powerful, intelligent, and truly autonomous cleaning solution, the Roborock Saros is a serious upgrade. Check the link in the description to learn more.